I got a 2007 Escalade. You can see one of my headlights is gone. So the easy way to change it is taking off your intake. You disconnect right here, the plug, you just take it off, unscrew this right here, take it off, make it loose, and then you start moving this thing. They have like a small clips in the bottom. You just take it off, and they have these little clips right there. Can you see right there? It's really easy to take it off. And after you take it off, there's a little piece of plastic cover. I already take it off, but I just want to guys show you. It's right there. It's really easy to change the part. Really easy. I was thinking it's really hard for it. It's not. It has this plastic cover. Let me show you. It has this plastic cover right here. Right there. They got a little clip right there. That goes right there. And goes right. Oops, I can see right there. And right there. Alright. First step, easy way to do it. With this, you can take it off. Right there. Right there. Right there. It's really easy to take it off. So what I did is bring this plastic cover all the way to the bottom, and you get a flat screwdriver right here. I can't hold my cell phone and do it. Let me see. How can I do it? Well, I don't know how. Put my cell phone. Oops. I'm trying to. Right there, I guess. Yeah, right here. And this one, just push it down, or the other way. Screwdriver on the bottom. Right there. There we go. And take it off. This one, you have to pick it up because it has two little legs in the bottom. You can see. Take it off. And that's right there. I ready to take it off. That's this one right here. It goes right there. You just turn it to your left a little bit and take it out. It's easy. And then you unplug it. Here's the cable. Right there. You just unplug it, pull it slow and soft, and you can take it off. Now I have to go and buy a new one. Don't go to the dealer. That's really expensive. It's $400. You can get one on eBay, really cheaper. Alright, easy way to take it off the headlight from an Escalade. Thank you. Bye.